It's a sign of the time, brother, it's a crime. Country ain't country no more. Country ain't country anymore. It's been bought and it's been sold like a hooker that I know, working that corner liquor store. Well, she's a working that corner liquor store. What happened to the days when a man stood on stage with just a song and an old six string? Just his songs and an old six string, pouring out his soul about all that he knows for all of us common folks to see. Common folk like you and me. I don't know about you, but I can sure speak for me. A country boy don't wear skinny jeans, and every song's the same about tailgates and trucks. Don't buy a dog if that dog won't hunt. I'm telling you, son, that dog, it won't hunt. Dear Lord, if you're listening, we could use some intervention. Bring country music back on home. Oh, dear Lord, bring it all back home. Well, I've had all I can stand from auto-tune pop bands. Country ain't country no more. Yeah, country just ain't country anymore. It's pretty damn sad, and I'm pretty damn mad, 'cause they shoved all my heroes out the door. They went and shoved all my outlaws out the door. And I don't know about you, but I can sure speak for me. My country boys don't wear skinny jeans. A Chevy's still a Chevy, while a Ford's still a Ford. And country ain't country anymore. Yeah, country just ain't country no more. Took our freedom, they took out the Lord. Yeah, country ain't country. Yeah, country just ain't country anymore.